Today we're gonna show you how to open a PS3 controller.
And now the milk is coming.
And some of this thing
And Jewish.
and something to be some Coca-Cola,
Some Azaks.
a piece of Caprice,
A little cologne Adidas.
whatever this is.
And for a final touch,
Oh wait,
we
Adidas Power.
gonna have some
Bird.
bird. Look, nice.
Look nice. Come on, burn it. Come on, burn it. Ai niin, che so. Okay. Okay. Look at mustard, tasty. Some mustard of this thing. Okay, that's
And
some colonia again.
it's over. We hope you enjoyed this video. Sabros.
If you do, you burn something. You. Come on. Come on. I can't. But. Okay, that's